Hello everybody, it's Carol. I hope you're fine. And today I'm going to clean my house. I'm going to organize my living room, organize my kitchen. And to start, I would like to show you how is all. And I hope you can join me. Okay, to start, I'm going to show you how is my living room. As you can see, there are a little bit of disorder, but there, notice the problem. The problem is there. Look at this. I have a lot of things to do, and for that I hope you can sharing your time with me meanwhile I clean my home. Okay, to start I'm going to picking up the things that are on the ground, and then I'm going to clean the table and clean the things with these disinfecting wipes I usually use to clean, to organize when I organize, because it's really good. I recommend. And okay, I'm going to show you how I do it. Look at this. Look at this. It was so dirty, but now looks better. Okay, I'm going to clean the sofa, and then I'm going to start again. Okay, no, I'm going to continue washing the dishes. Now I'm going to show you the result. Look at this. Now I'm going to show you the result. Look at this. It's very clean and it's very nice. Now it's nice. Now I'm going to start with the chaotic kitchen because it's very dirty. There are a lot of things and I need to organize well, because then I'm going to prepare something to dinner, and if I had a lot of things I can do it well. I put music because I like to do a lot of things with listening to music, and I think when you clean with music you feel comfortable, and for that I put it. start washing cups and glasses, and then I continue with the bowls and plates, and I am close to finish. Look at this, is um, less dishes to wash. So when I finish, I will show you, because if I continue show you, the video will be so long or so large, and it will be get bored maybe for you. And for that, I'm going to show you again when I finish. How is afternoon and the evening is so close. I need to turn on the light because I don't see anything. So to show you how is going the process of cleaning or organizing, it's good, not it's too bad. I need to do a lot of things before to clean the kitchen, but I'm so close to do it, and just wait a sec. I already finished the process of cleaning and organize, and now let me show you the results. Look at this, I washed all the dishes, and also I cleaned this area, I cleaned the table, cleaned the kitchen, and also I made red fruits tea. I'm only using chamomile, edible flowers, and red fruits, and that's it. You prepare your add everything in the water and let the fruits and the flower give flavor for this tea, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.